Once upon a lonely night, the stars forgot to shine. A broken heart was wandering through shadows of goodbye. Every road felt endless, every dream felt far away, till a whisper in the darkness said the storm won't ever stay. Through the thunder and the tears, hope was calling out your name. After the rain, there's a rainbow waiting. After the pain, love starts recreating. Every tear becomes a river to the sea. Every storm brings you back to me, like a fairy tale.